Did you know that some animals have superpowers you've only dreamed of? Get ready, because these 5 facts will completely change how you see the animal kingdom. Let's start with a creature of the night, the majestic owl. Have you ever seen an owl staring intently? It's not just being dramatic. Owls literally cannot move their eyeballs. They're fixed in their sockets, which is why they have that incredible ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Imagine not being able to glance sideways. You'd have to turn your whole head just to see who is talking to you. It's a built-in swivel chair, but for their necks. This adaptation gives them a nearly 360-degree field of vision to spot prey without making a sound. So next time you see an owl, appreciate that head-turning skillet's not a choice, it's a necessity. Alright, moving from the wise to the giggly. Let's talk about rats. Now, you might not think of rats as being particularly cheerful, but scientists discovered something amazing. Rats laugh when you tickle them. Seriously. When researchers tickled the bellies of rats, they emitted a high-frequency chirping sound. The catch? It's ultrasonic, meaning the pitch is way too high for human ears to hear without special equipment. They even jump for joy, a behavior scientists call Freudensprung. So, if you see a rat looking happy, it might just be having a good chuckle. Who knew these little critters were so full of joy? It definitely makes you see them in a whole new light. Now for a creature that defies all logic, the jellyfish. These mesmerizing ocean drifters are basically living, floating miracles. Why? Because jellyfish don't have brains, or hearts, or blood, or even bones. They're about 95% water. How do they survive? They have a simple nerve net that allows them to respond to their environment, like sensing food or danger. They just drift, eat, and reproduce, all without the complex organs we think are essential for life. They're a beautiful reminder that life can thrive in the simplest forms. It's like they're just going with the flow, literally. Mind-blowing, right? Let's head to the coldest parts of the planet and talk about penguins. These dapper birds are famous for their waddling walks and tuxedo-like feathers, but they have a hidden gadget that's pure genius.
Since they live in and around salt water, they need a way to stay hydrated without getting sick from all the salt.
So, what do? Penguins have a special organ right above their eyes called the supraorbital gland. This gland acts like a personal desalination plant, filtering the salt out of their bloodstream. The excess salt is then expelled through their beak. They basically sneeze it out. It's an incredible biological feature that allows them to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Finally, let's journey back in time. Way back. Think of sharks. These apex predators seem ancient, and they are. But just how ancient? Get this, sharks existed before trees. Fossil evidence shows that the first sharks swam in our oceans around 450 million years ago. The first trees, on the other hand, didn't appear until about 350 million years ago. That's a 100 million year head start. But it gets even crazier. Sharks are also older than the rings of Saturn. Yep. Those iconic rings are relatively new, forming only about 10 to 100 million years ago. So, the next time you see a shark, remember you're looking at a living fossil that has outlasted dinosaurs, ice ages, and even parts of our solar system. From head-spinning owls to laughing rats and timeless sharks, the animal world is full of surprises. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.